Alright, let's.
This ain't something moved.
I want to go down there.
Watch out. Be careful.
Stop rain while ago. When it's not him. Rain.
Trent, did I just tell you to quit?
When he gets out, we'll get him. I just saw some. I just saw a head right here. He's over here somewhere.
There's a mirror right here.
What?
Can't let me go check on.
I don't want that kind of. I know you can move fast. Look at Mama.
Oh yeah!
Get him.
Yeah!
Good. Okay. Oh, it might come alive.
He's broke.
Oh, right.
No, we could have hit him with the dang spatula.
Brandon, stop.
Hey, good, Miss Mark!
Oh, good. Don't pick him up with my spatula. He's moving.
She already had.
I'll bleach it. Don't do it again. No, just sit it down. Just sit down. Just sit down. All right.
Oh my gosh, look at its tail.